If you don't have any giant snap ring pliers for snap ring like this big, the little ones won't cut it. I even tried putting like extension Allens on it, but that stuff's not hard enough because it's just bends. So the back ass way to do this, I put a couple key rings through there, and then I, just these, you can probably use rope or anything. I just use these wire things because it's easier to just twist them on and off because of, and you just pull really hard and it'll go on. You need a second person though to kind of knock on like one of the opposite sides because something's probably going to go on like at an angle. When you start pulling them apart, the ring will tend to kind of, come out of like being even, and it'll start to point other directions. So that's why a second person will help on that. But yeah, if you don't want to spend like $50 on the tool that you need for one job, I guess this is like your only other option. I really didn't want to spend like $45.
All right.
So yeah, that should be it on that.